Hello, my name is Gkiorkem. I'm 27 years old and I come from Munich, and now I'm here by Hair of Istanbul. For a long time I searching for a good hair clinic because I got thicker hair in my front head, and a friend of me was here for about 2 years and he said to me, "Yo bro, let's check out, here's a really good clinic." And yeah, now I'm here and I'm really happy. Yeah, my new hairline, I love it. I can't wait to got my hair grown back and got my strange back, and yeah, I'm really happy with the result now. And for about 4 years I got thicker hair in my front head, and it's gonna be disturbing for me. I look in the mirror and I saw my hair I got hair loss, and after that I got some many informations about good hair clinics in Istanbul, in Germany, all around the world. And yeah, how I tell, a friend of me was here for about 2 years, so I check it out, and yeah, I'm really happy with. Yeah, for all the people all around the world who gonna think about the hair transplantation, I think it's the best clinic here in the world. I'm really happy, and I told my friend with hair loss too, when you need some information, come to me. I bring you here to Hair of Istanbul because it's a really good clinic. The people are really good, the doctors are really good, the service is really good, and I feel really good here. Yeah.